2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.